Okay, now here is the another one of the Songbird dresses. We've had it in a couple different colors and seriously, it just keeps getting better and better. This green is so cute and fun. I love this. It just takes me back to like when you were a little kid and you wore the kind of cute little detailing, the little puffer sleeve. You can seriously wear this dress however you want. It's so cute and comfortable. I'm wearing a size small, which is what I normally always wear. And it fits perfect. It definitely is a flowier dress. And this one is pretty stretchy. So like if you need to size down, you definitely can. You have room for that. I'm also about 5'6", 5'7". It hits me just below my knee, which is a perfect length. The green is so cute. And the sort of like texture to it is so fun.